Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a sushi cat. It's going to be simple, easy, totally for beginners, all right? So let's go through this step by step, all right? So we can start over here with the edge of the cat's face. We're going to curve line here. All right. Gonna go over here on this side and do the exact same shape but reversed. It's almost like a parentheses. I'm gonna go right here on this side. I'm gonna pull a line up for the ear. It's gonna be like a soft triangle. So I'm gonna go up here. One right there. Straight across a little bit. Over here. All right. Gonna go over here. I'm gonna draw a curve right here for the eye. Curve right here for the other eye. Line across for the top of the nose, and the nose is gonna be an upside down triangle. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, by the way, if you have time. Hit the subscribe if the stuff that I do here is worth your time. You know, when you hit the subscribe, it's gonna let you know when I post, and also it's gonna let you know what I post. There's no reason not to subscribe. Make this the video, you do it. Thank you so much if you do that. Thank you. Right there for the nose. Gonna go right here to the bottom here, and I'm gonna curve over here. Go over here. Curve over here. Let's smile. Okay. Pulling down one leg. Pull across here. Other leg. Okay. I'm going to pull a line kind of part way here, like around the back here. Okay, doing good. I'm gonna throw a curve right here. Almost looks like a turtle shell, but it's gonna start right here from this ear. Pull up, over, down, curve. Over here, we're gonna pull a line over here for the tail. Curve in, line up. Over here, pull straight. He's gonna be hiding his legs right there. I guess I can put the other leg over here, the far side leg. And then I'm gonna throw a large curved line over this. So now we have our sushi cat. Kind of looks like hot dog cat, so we gotta make it sushi cat. So I'm gonna go over here and go a long curve right here. Go down a little bit, the exact same curve. Right there. Okay? We're actually drawing through the form there. And what I want you to do is I want you to fill that in. If you have a marker, even if you have a pencil, fill it in. That marker is dying right there. Let me. There, like so. Right on. Then I'm gonna throw a curve here because that's supposed to be like raw fish or whatever. One more over here. One more over here. And then one more over here. And there you go. Excuse me, a little tired. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. Likes are what fuel the channel. They're basically the coal on the fire here. All right, then. what I'm going to do here is I'm going to throw a thick line around the outside of this now. Only the outside. So up, down, out over here, in, down, up. Just kind of putting a thicker line around the outside to make it look more like a sticker. I just kind of dig that. Over here. Go to the top. Down. Like even it out here, make it a little bit thicker there. If you really want, you can throw whiskers here too. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you go, that's it. I want to thank you very much. You guys are amazing. So like I said, hit that like, and also check out other videos on the channel. If you like those as well, hit that like button as well. You guys are just beautiful. I gotta bring the email list back. Somebody told me the email list isn't working. That's why I haven't announced it that much. You know, there's like a free ebook and stuff like that. I gotta get that fixed. So stay with me, and yeah, I'll give updates on that. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very soon. Don't forget, make some requests, and I'll make them happen, all right? See you later, everybody.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.